Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add your payment details on the one password website. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to cut this website. So as you can see, now I open my account on the one password website. You also need to open in the same way. If you want to add your payment details, as you can see, it has an option for the add payment details. So we have to click on this option. And after clicking on this option, you will be redirected to the billing method. So as you can see, it has the billing option. Your account is currently in a trial. We have account currently in a trial. You have 14 days remaining in your trial period. You can track your trial period from here. If you want to add payment method, you can also do that. If you want to redeem gift card, you can also do that. If you want to add your billing address, you can also do that. For example, you have to click on the add payment method. Let's click on this. And after clicking on this, now you have to choose that which payment method you want to buy, the monthly or the annually. If you want to add the annually, you will get the 25% off. If you want to monthly, you will get this price. So for example, I'm going to choose the monthly, and after clicking on the monthly, you have to wait for a few seconds and you will get some options here, and then you have to add those details. So as you can see, it has an option for the payment method. So you have to click on the add payment method. So let's click on this, and now you have to provide the card number here and the expiration date here and the CVC code here, as you can see. And here simply you have to select, and here simply you have to select your region or the card, and you have to click on the subscribe, and you will be charged this amount per month. If you are using the annually, you will be charged this amount annually. So in this way, you can add your payment method. In this way, you can add your payment details on the one password website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.